Oh no, I lost one car on Turo. Unbelievable. My Nissan was doing amazing. I got almost the whole next month book. Turo just canceled these days. I did block those days because I take cash payment for those. I have someone who rented out from me and they gave me cash. In fact, it's currently been used right now because they pay me $500 just so they can go to Georgia and come back with my car. So I took $500 from it. I mean, I live in Florida. It's not too far. It's a good 300 mile. I don't know the distance. 300 miles from where they going. They had sent me the address. I put it in. 300 miles to go. 300 something to come back. So I thought that was okay. So I'll get $500 there, cash money. I don't have to worry about pay cut. But I'm sad because my car has been restricted by Turo due to an open week safety recall, and it's they slowly canceling my future trip. So I guess they have to cancel trip 5 days prior before it start, because they canceled this trip yesterday, and I have a couple more to come next month. So I need to get this recall fixed now, so I don't have any more canceled trip. And this car was doing me awesome because I was getting really high monthly income from this car. It's one of my cars I was doing so well. I mean, wow, man, I cannot believe I lost my Nissan. It's a big family size car. I was really looking forward, even though I lost some money there. But oh my God, I can't believe it. Look at that. I have no monthly payment for this car. $700, bringing me $700 at least a month. It's not too bad at all. I had put it late April, and then this is how it is. In May, I did went on vacation. That's why I didn't reach my $700 days a month. But look at that. August is booming. Now July was booming. They already canceled one of my trips, and that trip was for $300 something. So I'm mad right now. And that's the thing, people, you need to keep in mind. These things will happen. So if you have a lot of monthly payment, I mean, you better hope you can pay for when this situation happens. The good news is I don't have any monthly payment for this car, but I do have a lot of other monthly. I have 2 cars I just add on the platform that I have monthly payment for. I have a monthly payment for this one, $350. I got one on this one, $389. So, I mean, and then I lost this car. My earning was going up month to month. Look at that. This is some good. And look at for July. July, I was already past 500 because my Nissan got restricted. I was looking forward to make 3K. So keep in mind, this is gonna happen sometime. You'll get open recalls where your car, you won't be able to list them unless you fix them. So I did went to Nissan, and they told me I have to bring the car, but since the car is not in my hand right now, it's been borrowed from someone who give me money, cash money for it. So I have to wait until that person come back so I can get that recall check. Hopefully it doesn't require any parts or anything for the car. So this is why I wanted to shoot this video, no matter how mad I am right now, but unfortunately these things I can't control them. And yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will be making more videos every time. Thank you.